Let's continue off of the storage account video. So you go to your storage account, and since we did containers and file shares already, let's do queues. Queues is a way to store messages. You're not really gonna just like use it here. It's more for developers to keep on making messages in it, but you could just add messages and say it's expiration. And so there's our message, and it's the first in the queue. And then we'll say like hello. And it goes in order from the first created queue to the second for the messages in the queue. So if you want to dequeue it, then I'll get rid of the first. So it goes in order. So if we make another one, if we clear it, it's going to clear all of them. So that's queues. It's not really much to it. And now let's do tables. Let's create a table. Let's call it customers. So you can't edit it here. What you do is you go to Storage Explorer Preview, and you could also edit other stuff, like in our file share from here. But anyway, let's do tables, customers, and so you could add property name, partition key, and row key. So partitions are like, I always think of them as like columns. It's a way to separate the data for like to make indexing faster, and then row key is like the unique location of that value. So anyway, let's keep them strings. So we could create like a category for the table values for the partition. So it could be like, imagine we call it the customers. So maybe we're trying to get their location by city. So we could just say like, you know, Rome, and that's the value of the city. And then the specific row key, we could do it by like an ID number for our customer, and we could just start a form, and then we insert it, and so we have partition key, row key, but if we want to edit it, we could add a property. Actually, I want to do it above the timestamp. We could do it, I don't know, phone number, so just phone, and you could change the type. So let's just do int 111.222.3333. And yes, that's how to make properties for the tables and mess around with it. The timestamp before. Anyway, so that's tables.